Hello everyone. Today I will compare in between Skylight Calendar and Dakboard, which is better in 2025. Let's reveal it. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Skylight Calendar is built with simplicity in mind. It offers a sleek touchscreen display that syncs easily with popular calendar apps like Google and Outlook. The interface is clean and intuitive, designed to help families stay on track without technical headaches. It's plug and play, and everything updates in real time, perfect for users who want a no-fuss experience. Dakboard, on the other hand, is all about customization. It allows you to create a fully personalized home screen, complete with weather, photos, to-do lists, and calendar widgets. It's ideal for those who want a smart display that does more than just show dates. Dakboard is more flexible, but it can take a bit more effort to set up, and some features may require a subscription. So which is better? Choose Skylight if you're looking for a simple, elegant calendar display for the whole family. Pick Dakboard if you want a more customizable smart dashboard with multiple functions in one.